Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a website in less than 2 minutes using stunning.so. Move over to the website and you'll see something like this. It will ask you a couple of questions regarding what sort of page you want and what does your industry look like. Okay, it will also ask you for an email address. Once you provide your email address, it will just give you some suggested designs. Now go ahead and choose one of the designs which you like. Okay, I'm going to choose this one. Select generate. Okay, now it's gonna give you some funny quotes. Hitting your keyboard won't make this faster. Still faster than Windows Update. Okay, it's doing something you don't want to know about, so okay, so it is ready. That too within seconds. Okay, so we just scroll down, take a look how it looks. Honestly, considering we haven't really made any changes to it, I think it looks pretty good. Please do customize it according to your needs, but overall, this is how to create a website within few seconds. Thank you for watching. We will see you in the next video.